Alright, so this is a New Year resolution moment. Long time I'm following this girl. Long time I want to meet her. I see her at one or two events. Jovi.
It's all about love. Ooh, baby. I said all I want to do is take you there. Come on.
Why have you forsaken me? Why it takes so long for me to see you and I get to talk to you like this?
First name Dutty, last name Barry?
Yes.
I love you more than you love me.
No. From long time before I was going to Excelsior, I'm not try Adria or nothing. So I'm going to Excelsior.
That's so
One, two, 3, and a 4. You know?
I'm a coming at you, gonna bust on your door.
Or I got you dancing on the roof. Ain't no space for the floor. Or Job is gonna give you more.
Yeah. I just feel like you were too ahead of your time. I think Jamaica, no, I was literally telling my brethren just now, I think Jamaica never really ready for that sound. Because what you brought like this whole Gwen Stefani, sort of like a fused dancehall with pop, and it was just edgy, it was almost like techno, it was just like a lot of different things you were doing, and I think Jamaica never there, I appreciate you.
I'm glad you felt it.
Yeah.
I'm glad you did.
You see it all.
I mean, I think everything is timing, so as long as you get to do what you love, I mean, I'm good. I do what I love, so I'm grateful.
Too original for them party.
And who feels it, and I will continue to do it for everybody who's feeling it. If you want to catch on, no, if you whatever, it don't matter to me as long as me express myself passionately as an artist. So thank you for feeling that.
Yeah, man. So do you live here or you just visiting like?
No, I'm actually here working on a couple projects.
Awesome.
So I'm in between LA and Kingston right now, and I just got a place out here. So and I'm happy to be home because everywhere I go, it's like dawning on me. I'm like, yo, people remember me like, you know what I mean? I had the song out with Shaggy last year. But just the warmth, it's a good feeling to like reconnect right now. And so I have an EP coming out. I'm about to do a launch for a record that I did with Ding Dong.
Awesome.
To remix the art Up Like 7. It's crazy. It's got Johnny Bravo Ravos on it. It's produced by Cool Face. So we're launching that at the end of the month.
Awesome.
And I'm really excited about it.
What I want to see more you all over the place. I want you to be doing more interviews. I want to see a street dance. I want to be, all of the uptown part of them. I want to see you.
You want me at the uptown party them too?
Yes, all over I want to see. I want to see it.
So you're not from a street dance?
I would, but you see the videos that you saw? The videos that you saw when I go, when I go like in dancehall queen and 10 for 1 brought me out.
Yeah, I noticed that by the way.
So you think I probably, no, but say if I went to, you think you'd feel sorry for me and give me like a Rockwell wine?
If I see you out,
yeah, like
you're in trouble. Because after how me see you at one.
Come here, set fear now.
You can't me think say you can't hurt a fly. When me start see
Jovi, skills but Jamaica at the end of the day now. Skills this waistline is no joke,
It's bumping,
it's no
the testosterone.
Last question. What is your secret to looking so good? Like what is it? Why you moisturize with you bathing like honey? Is it milk? Like how you manage to just be looking so good? You look really good. I look
my whole family is in the beauty business. My mom was a hairdresser for many years. My sister owns a spa face to face. And so I mean she educates me on what is the healthiest thing, like shea butter, natural things and stuff like that. Face to face. Hey girl. That's my sister,
So AKA?
If I never said that a while ago, me get a beat when me go.
So big up face to face?
Yeah, big up face to face.
Okay.
I mean, and most importantly, I think I try to keep a positive mental attitude, and I don't bother with no kind of bad mind. I'm happy for everybody, and I'm just happy to be alive, and I just always have gratitude for life. I think that's a big part of it too.
So AKA she's basically just saying she come from a look good family. Like it just there in the DNA, in genetics, generations.
Well, I am lucky in that area, yes. But I do think it's important for all women to take care of their skin and drink lots and lots of water. And though the green juice tastes bad, I think they should drink it too.
Alright, so you're taken? Are you free? Free agent, are you taken?
No, I'm single.
Oh, you're single? Yes.
I am single. I even cut a record on a harmonious rhythm that is going to be my second single.
Here's to being single and being ready to mingle. Here's to not having to answer my phone and being interrogated all the time.
Alright, so people, by the time I post this up,
I said here's to being single and why I love being single.
may I give you until probably Valentine's Day?
What you wearing red already look like you're ready for the...
So you need your outfit, your outfit need for change though for match mine.
No, I have to change my outfit.
You need a red and white so we can match.
But I don't think you are ready for my red.
I'm ready for anything that you have for me, Jovi.
Alright, we'll see. On the dance floor, you and me. It's a date.
Alright, so Kira, I want you to say a little box cover. I want you to say big up the Dirty Berry Show.
Yo, this is your girl Jovi Rockwell. Big up the Dirty Berry Show. Box cover. You don't know? Sure.